Hello everyone, welcome back to Conarchy YouTube channel. In our previous videos, we've been modeling all our stuffs, our beam, our columns, everything, and we are done assigning our loads and everything. And now we have to do one more important thing, that's modeling our shear wall. So I'm going to explain what a shear wall is and what exactly it does and the importance it has in our structure over here. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, try and do so before we continue. Like today's video, turn on your post notification, and also if there's anything you want to know much about or just send me a message, just leave it in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So let's get started. So this is actually my structure over here. So we are now about to model our shear wall in our structure. So when we talk about our shear wall is simply a vertical wall-like structure that resists or combats the lateral loads in our structure. So lateral loads like the wind load and our seismic loads or any horizontal load that is acting on our structure. The shear walls deals with those kind of loads. So these shear walls, as I said earlier, they are wall-like structures. So we are going to draw our shear walls in our structure. So typically most of the times our shear walls are mostly located at where the elevator is. So mostly when you have an elevator in your structure, the shear wall is mostly around that elevator. So basically you don't really see that there's a shear wall there, but sometimes there is. Some also can also put it at the exterior side, as a peripheral walls outside here. So based on where you want to place your shear walls, that's all up to you. But most want to hide it in a building, and the very place to hide it that no one is going to see is around the elevator side. So we are going to place our shear wall over here, and our elevator mostly they are 1.4 by 1.4. That's the size of the elevator. So let's place our shear wall like 2 meter by 2 meter shear wall at this place. Let's assume our elevator is going to be in the middle over here. So we are going to draw 2 meter by 2 meter box over here, and we are going to place our shear wall there. So first of all, we need to offset some points over here to get that 2 meter by 2 meter dot where we can draw our shear wall. So first of all, let's do that by offsetting a point from here, maybe 2 meters over here. So let's say, so this is 6 meters and we want 2 meters. That means you have to subtract 2 from 6 and we are going to get 4 meters. 4 meters divided by 2, we are going to get 2 meters at this side, 2 meters at the other side, and we are going to get our 2 meters in the middle. So let's offset that point. So we have to go to the draw. I believe we've done this before, so it's going to be a little bit fast today. So draw, then draw joint objects. So we are going to offset a point from here. So we are going to offset in the x-axis 2 meters and in the y-axis 2 meters. So let's input x-axis 2 meters. Here the unit is in millimeters, so we have to input 2000, and also in the y-axis 2000. So we are going to do this offset point. So once I place it here, I now have my 2 meters offset. So 2 meters in the x and also 2 meters in the y. I have this point over here, and I also have to do the same over here, but in this direction our x should be negated since it will be coming in the opposite direction. So we are going to negate our x, so negative, and enter, and I'll place it at this point, and I'm just going to draw that. So we have another 2 meters over here, so we are going to do one also over here. So in this place the y will be negative. So I believe you understand that. So y will be negative, then x will be positive. So x positive, y will be negative. So okay, then this place both x and y will be negative. So negative, then we place that over here. So I'll now escape. Okay, so now we have our Let me close my pointer is misbehaving. I don't really know why that's happening, but okay, so let's say we have our 4 points now. So this is the place we are going to draw our wall over here. So now what we have to do now is to create or cut this section of the slab off. So we are going to cut this section of the slab off. So let me place it in all stories so that whatever I do in this story happens in the subsequent or the stories below. So first of all, I have to go to this slab, draw floor, and the property over here, I'm going to change it from this depth 1 to opening. So the opening is going to create some form of opening or a cut section over here that you can see through and place any object you want there. So I'm just going to start from here to here to here. Then just like that, I have my opening over here. So this is my opening, and this is where I'm going to place my shear wall at. So when I place it in the X direction, you can see that you can actually see down through this place. That means there's an opening over here. So this is the place I'm going to place my shear wall. So as we come here, you have quick draw walls and we have draw walls here. So these are used to draw our walls. So I'm just going to select this draw wall, and I'm going to change the property over here to wall 1. So this is just wall 1. I've not defined anything. I'm just going to use this wall 1. And after we are done modeling everything, I'm going to show you how to design this shear wall. We are just modeling it. So once I'm done, I can just place my point over here. Then let me escape. So draw wall 1. So here to here to here, then to here. So that's it. Now I have my wall over here. It's at all stories, so everything I do is going to show. So now I have my shear wall over here, and let me go to the plan base and provide a restraint over here to be fixed. So I'm going to make the support at the bottom, the foundation area, fixed. And now I have my shear. Oh, sorry about that. I had to place it in the 1 story. So 1 story, then plan base. Okay, so it's at 1 story. So I'm going to assign my joint restraints fixed support, then okay. Now I'm done. So easy as that. We are just modeling this shear wall. That's my shear wall over here. And once we are done with everything, we are going to learn how to design these shear walls and know the amount of the area of reinforcements we are going to place in this shear wall. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section if you want to know more about this. Thank you.